Ciao streamer, hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. My name is Stefan. You can find me on Instagram by the name Stefan or in English Stefan TTT. And today we are doing another episode of Eurovision 2020 battle. Therefore, the first dueling country for today will be Malta, and Malta will go against Sweden. So if you want to know what I think about these two countries in Eurovision 2020, what is my rating of them, who is the winner, and everything else, then keep on watching. How are you guys? Are you doing okay? Are you staying at home? Are you healthy? Tell me, how is this quarantine going for all of you out there? As for me, I really need to apologize in the beginning of this video since I didn't upload anything in like 3 weeks, I believe. Don't worry, I was healthy. I just didn't record because I was, focusing my energy of bunch of other stuff. To be honest, since I'm quarantined, like my days are fully scheduled. I do so many different things, and amongst all those things I was doing, I've gotten a little bit lazy to do the videos. So I'm really sorry. Because of that, I'm gonna give my best to upload at least once a week for all of you out there who want to continue watching the videos I'm doing. Now, with that being said, the first country that I decided to do today will be Malta. And Malta still didn't confirm their entry in 2021. So we still don't know whether Malta is gonna choose a new representer or they're gonna go with the same one. As for the same one, this year Malta was supposed to be represented by this beautiful lady. Her name is Destiny, which is a lovely name. I don't know if this is like her real name or she just took it to be her stage name, but I just love her name, and unfortunately the Destiny didn't want her to be the part of Eurovision 2020, but I do hope she will come next year and show us what she's made of. As for this year, she is made of all of her love. So the song for this year was All of My Love, and to be honest, I heard this song maybe once, but I wasn't really, concentrated, and I wasn't really, into this song. So I really don't have any sort of opinions, either bad or good. So for me, this would be as if I was watching it for the first time. All I can remember from the music video was that there was some kind of a bird or something like that, and that she has an incredible voice, and that's it. I don't know the melody, I don't know what's gonna happen in the video, I just know it is a music video. So let's not waste our time and let's just see if this is going to blow my mind for the second time. Am I gonna remember it, or what's gonna happen with this performance? Alright Malta, are you the one that will beat Sweden? Let's see. Oh, look where I stopped. So she is wearing this black dress with black turban on her head, which I absolutely love. This shows really the ethnic difference that we can expect in this video. And I just wanted to stop before. I absolutely love the picture of those cliffs going into the ocean. Stunning.
Free spirit. Live like there's no tomorrow.
Live like there's no tomorrow, and today we can really witness that. So everybody, live like there's no tomorrow, but stay at home.
Run wild.
The bird.
Fulfill your destiny.
Fulfill your destiny, okay. I'm ready to start, come on. I've got my chills, everybody.
Never had the heart to pray, and never thought I'd find a way, but now I do, now I do. Always felt I was no good, always felt misunderstood, but now I don't.
Girl, the girl has such a soul voice. It's like, you can hear that it's going from her heart. Like, this is the kind of voice I absolutely respect. So, Destiny, respect.
No, I don't.
And I love the fact it starts with piano. It starts really slowly, even though the video is so dramatic. Nice.
Cause your great love is healing me, renewing me through and through. I am free to live, so I give you all of my life, like a river running.
With all of them running around, like doing this parkour thing, it's like I'm watching I'm watching a commercial for Nike, Adidas, or something like that. And like the song, okay.
Every brother, mother, child, now we found each other. Don't let me down. All my love, like a river running wild. Every brother.
And like the whole song, you can actually put into the commercial. Nike, Adidas. Maybe I just gave you the idea.
Mother, child, now we found each other. Don't let me down. All my love, all the love I feel for you. All of my love, all the love I feel for you. Yeah.
I wonder where they made this video. Was it made on Malta? Please, everybody, if you know this, write in the comments.
I know your words are true. My heart is filled with gratitude. It's only you.
And now we've changed to a little bit of guitar moment. Okay, Malta, this was a really strong, okay.
I'm living for your amazing love, so sweet. As I raise me to my feet, I ain't going back anymore. Now
I ain't going back anymore. I ain't going back either, honey.
I think about you, dream about you all the time. Don't wanna live without you, so I give you all of my life, like a river running wild. Every brother, mother.
It just makes you clap your fingers. This is the type of song where you're gonna be just like, yes, yeah, yeah, give me the voice.
Child, now we found each other. Don't let me down. All my love, like a river running wild. Every brother, mother, child. Now we found each other. Don't let me down.
Beautiful.
All my love, all the love I feel for you.
I feel like I want to be in this music video. Destiny, if you're making that, if you're making a new one next year, something like this, please call me. I would die to run around those beautiful landscapes. But don't expect me to do this. I'm afraid of heights. I would shit my pants.
Now I sing about you, dream about you all the time. Don't wanna live without you. Oh no, don't wanna live without you. Now I sing about you, dream about you all the time. Don't wanna live without you. All of my life, like a river running wild. Every
I would love to hear this high note on Eurovision. I believe that she is so capable of rocking it and, you know, fire the whole arena. Destiny, come back next year, please.
mother, child. Now we found each other. Don't let me down. All my love, like a river running wild. Every brother, mother, child. Now we found each other. Don't let me down. All my love, all the love I feel for you. All the love I feel for you.
It's been a while since I danced on the rain. Like, they're like having so much fun in this music video. Let's finish this.
All the love I feel for you. All of my love. All the love I feel for you. Yeah.
All the love I feel for you. Okay, alright. Congratulations, Destiny. Congratulations. You know what, guys? Today I decided not to talk after the song. I really want to do the final review after I hear another dueling country. So, as I said in the beginning, Malta is going versus almighty competitor in Eurovision. Give it up for Sweden. Okay guys, we all know that Sweden is the powerhouse of Eurovision. They have the most watched national selection. Even other countries are voting for their representatives. So from Sweden you can always expect high quality performance, high quality song. However, don't get me wrong, Swedish people, but sometimes I really feel that because of all this buzz that's going around you, that sometimes you get a little bit overrated, if you know what I mean. Usually the songs and the performances are really like all the way up there, but you know, sometimes people tend to like you just because, you know, they are supposed to like you. However, I'm not one of those people, and I'm gonna base my opinion only on the video I see. As for the video, this year Sweden was supposed to be represented by this girl group named The Mamas, and their song's name was Move. So they got the move, they got the groove. Yes, I've heard this song, I watched, I had my favorite, and Mamas were not my favorite, to be honest. I have certain opinions on the song, but I still don't know the whole melody of the song. I still don't know what they're doing in the video because, you know, honestly, I was more focused on Daughter, Bulletproof, and Kingdom Come. So those were my favorites, and I was really focusing all of my attention to these two queens that actually slayed that Melody Festival. And as for the Mamas, I am gonna give them opportunity now to show me if they are the Mamas of Eurovision 2020 or actually the only one Destiny is better than the three of them. So let's not waste our time and let's see the Swedish's act. And the highly anticipated Sweden it is. Let's go, open up.
We fight, we fall, it's alright, that's life, whole life.
Whole life, not gonna happen for you this year. I'm so sorry, Mamas. But you know what? I mean, you can already see the Melody Festival, and it already looks not like a perform, it looks like a music video, like the ready music video that you know. So that's how big Swedish production is.
We wipe those eyes.
She brings such joy, like her smile really brings joy to you, and that red hair is everything, love it.
We rise, that's life. Oh, life.
Aha. Okay. And like they raise their hands and then the lights of heaven are right behind them. Like Sweden is... How much is this? How much do you invest in this thing, guys? Like this is mind-blowing, honestly, and they look awesome. This I remember. This I remember.
When eyes turn low, I'll guide you home. That's right.
They're like the ladies you can see in American movies in, you know, those Catholic churches. Like they are those ladies that will just bring joy when there is a gospel time. You know what I'm saying? So this is what it reminds me of American movie, church atmosphere. Everybody are happy and praise the Lord. But not with those boobies, honey. You cannot go to church with those boobies out there. This part is just like yes, 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 everybody are moving like that, and this part in Eurovision would bring such joy to everybody. Everybody want to move like, yeah, we're moving, keep on going, sisters. Whoa, I just saw the lady on the right. She has some sexy high boots. Love the confidence, girl. Nice. Like, look how many people, look how many people are there to witness the choice of Eurovision representative. I just love the dedication Sweden brings to this competition. Please stay that way. Overrated, underrated, it doesn't matter. Like this. Everyone wanna move like this. Everybody wanna move like this. Oh! Okay, good job, mamas. The mamas. I always forget to say the mamas because they're the moms of this year's Eurovision. Now, let's talk about these two acts, shall we? First was Malta. Malta brought me such joy while I was watching the video. Her voice is on point, such a soul, pure voice with such strength, and I believe with that high note she would turn on that fire in every Eurovision fan. As for the music video looks like as all of them are having so much fun, that they had so much fun making it, and that they really enjoyed being there and, you know, cooperating with Destiny, which is amazing. I love when artists have, you know, that special connection with the people around them, with the people who are helping them to make the song better and bigger. As for the song, it didn't stay in my mind. I'm so sorry. I know that this song had one of the most odds of winning. However, I don't see this winning Eurovision Song Contest. It is beautiful as you watch it in the moment, but as for me, I already forgot the song. I can just rate it based on how I felt before. For me, this is not that memorable. I believe that the Destiny can make even a better song for next year if they decide to go with her next year. I think that for this year, this was just, you know, an okay performance. A little bit more than okay. It was good, great, but not awesome, not excellent, not mind-blowing. Therefore, my final rating for Malta and all of my love will be, drum rolls please. So Malta will get a 7 from me. This is going to be a 7 because I know I felt very good while I was watching it. However, I cannot remember the song. I'm rating this just based on the memories of a feeling that I had while watching that song. Now, as for Sweden, I love the vibe. I love the whole church ladies gospel, you know, everybody wanna move like this. Yes, we wanna move like that. Yes, it brings joy just as Malta did. And I just wanna add that the girl from Malta, she really can be the part of the mamas. You know what I'm saying? Like, they would really have the best harmonies ever. Speaking of harmonies, the mamas, harmonies are on point. I mean, there is no point of talking about their singing because they really sing. They're very, very similar as Malta. So they really have strong soul voices that make you move and that make you feel some kind of joy and happiness inside of you. And that is a very special talent that not too many people have in this world. Therefore, their ratings are not gonna be below average. Even though, don't get me wrong, for me, these two songs, for me, they're just the average songs. Even Sweden. It moves your body, it makes you feel certain things, but one more time, it's not a winning potential. It is a finalist. It is, you know, probably amongst top 10 because people are gonna love it. Some people are gonna love it because they genuinely love Sweden. Some people are gonna love it because they love the whole vibe. The others, like me, are just gonna feel like, okay, this is nice, it's cool, but I'm waiting for Lithuania or Switzerland. You know what I mean? Next year, Sweden, of course, is hosting another Melody Festival because, you know, it is such a high budget format that they're not gonna miss. It's highly watched, so of course they're gonna host it, and they're going with the new representative. I don't know if Mamas are coming back to Melody Festival next year, but I don't think so. I think that they declared that they are not coming back. This was their shot, and unfortunately, Destiny decided not this year, ladies, not this year. Now, what is my final rating of Sweden? Drum rolls, please. So Sweden will get... Oh my gosh, this is so hard. So Malta got 7. I need to... Sweden will get 7 as well. For me, these two songs are very similar. They share the similar energy. Sweden did not disappoint, but it didn't blow minds either. So, 7-7. This Eurovision battle would be a tie. Now, thank you so much for watching, all of you out there. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And tell me, what do you think about these two performances? Who is better? Who would be your winner? What do you think about Sweden's performance? What do you think about Malta's performance? Tell me everything because I'm reading it all. Thank you so much one more time and see you in the next Eurovision battle, hopefully next week. Bye bye!